Stop trying so hard to be something you're not.
You have the heart of a chief and the soul of a dragon.
I looked at him and I saw myself.
Only you can bring our worlds together.
A chief protects his own.
A chief protects his own.
That is who you are, son.
It's who I am, Dad. I was so afraid of becoming my dad.
Even as a boy, I knew what it was.
Mostly because I thought I never could. I was a coward. I was weak. I wouldn't kill a dragon. Dragons, they're kind, amazing creatures that can bring people together. How do you become someone that great, that selfless? I guess you can only try. You'll be safe there. Safer than you could ever be with me.